Grade friends, today is day number 1 of our project. We are creating a patterned bear using various lines. So we have a little bit of vocabulary from our first 9 weeks incorporated into our second 9 weeks with pattern. All right, you're going to need your paper vertical, which means up and down, not sideways. You're going to need a pencil. I'm using a black marker so you can see, but you'll use a pencil. You're going to draw what I draw. All right, for this first video, so just follow along with me. Remember, you can pause the video if I go too fast, and you can also rewind. Okay, let's start towards the middle of our paper, a little towards the top, middle top, I guess we'd say. And we're going to start with 2 circles. And when you do the circles, these are going to be the eyes. You're going to shade them in. Now, if you want to get a little fun with it, you can leave a white space, like a highlight for the eyes. I'll leave that up to you. Or you can color it the whole thing in. Okay, so we have our eyes. Then we're going to go ahead and work on our bear's nose. So we're going to go ahead and down here, straight line across. It's kind of like an upside down triangle. Diagonal, diagonal. All right, same thing. You can shade it in all the way. You could leave a highlighted area. If you want the nose to be a little wider, you can mess with it. Yours does not need to look exactly like mine. Right, when we get done with our nose, we're going to go ahead and do our mouth. Well, I lied. Let's go ahead and do the snout. The snout is like mouth that's included. Okay, so we're going to come up here. We're going to go curve, down, back up, and around. So kind of like an egg shape. Let's do its mouth or her mouth. Smile, cross, smile. And because bears have sharp teeth, we can include the teeth. Now, if you want your mouth to be closed and not open like this, that's also an option. Remember, the great thing about being an artist is you can use your imagination, creativity, and come up with your own ideas. If you want to show more teeth than me, show more teeth. Okay? Let's go ahead and do the outside shape of our bear. So over the top of the eyes, we are going to go curve. And then we're going to actually take that curve and we're going to go all the way around, back down, and back up. So it's the shape of a circle. Let's do the ears. Curve. Curve. We can go ahead and make the inside of the ears. And let's go ahead and make his or her shoulders. Curve down all the way to the bottom of our paper. Curve down all the way to the bottom of our paper. All right, the last step we're going to do for this video is we are going to draw on our shirt a pattern. All right, let me explain to you what I mean. We're going to do these curves. This bear is going to be wearing a sweater. So curves like this to start off. Uh-oh, I can't do any more. Skip it. Keep going. Okay? In these spaces, you're going to decide what kind of pattern you want to do. You could do line patterns, rainbow patterns, ABC patterns. I want them to be repeated, and each stripe could be different, or you could do this stripe one way, a different way, and then go back to the same way. But I want it to be a repeating pattern. Later on, you'll color these in, but have fun with this part. This is what's going to make your artwork look interesting. All right, so I have this space. And I'll have fun coloring that with different designs. And then I think this one later on for me is going to be like this rainbow repeating pattern. And you can't tell with that because right now I'm just doing these lines, but later on I'll color them in. All right, and then I'm going to go back on mine and do this upside down triangle pattern again. And then this space down here, I'll also do that repeating rainbow again. Okay, this is all we're going to do for video number 1. Tune in to video number 2 next week. Keep up the good work. I'll finish that triangle pattern later. All right, bye friends.